Hi, you can call me Eugene K, and nice to meet you in the ProximaX Now channel. Today we will talk about what ProximaX is as organization and what you should know about its current state, about people, directions and activities behind it. The official date of founding ProximaX is 5th of March 2018. ProximaX was officially registered as ProximaX Limited Company in Gibraltar jurisdiction that is crypto-friendly and comfortable for token sale. The token sale itself took place in April 2018. They raised funding from the ICO, and despite of altcoin winter that we are still watching, the organization had not been wasted all the contributors' money and had been done a lot of work from the past year, as you can see on this slide. They followed the roadmap of the core product, ProximaX series, and you can track its progress in the test network as a developer or reading reports in ProximaX official blog. Now the size of ProximaX can be measured in more than 60 people, 80% from who are tech expertise. So for now, organization is quite techy, with focus directly on development more than business development or promotion. ProximaX has people from all over the globe that includes Asia, Europe, Australia and South America. The headquarters of ProximaX is in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The place is called ProximaX Accelerator Center of Technology and is big enough to house 60 sittings and conduct small work group events. It will be modeled like a workspace environment, while concurrently it is used to nurture startup companies that are interested to jumpstart their projects using ProximaX series platform and solutions. Let's talk about leaders of ProximaX in this slide. Mr. CEO Wong is one of the founders and former president of NEM.io Foundation, the organization that is responsible for NEM platform development and promotion. And NEM is still one of the top projects in blockchain and crypto world, and it's quite good to know that Mr. Wong was at the very outset of NEM phenomenon. Lon is both a skilled engineer and good entrepreneur. Before NEM, Wong served at top-level positions of several associations, institutes and governance commissions in Malaysia, and he has more than 30 years of experience in building businesses from engineering consultancy to software applications. Mr. CTO Alvin Rice is a passionate professional in development with experience on multiple and various technology stack. Before ProximaX, he was solutions architect and had experience in AI, databases and full-stack development. Also, he's a core solutions designer and contributor to interplanetary database Java driver. In the end, he started to evolve IPFS in ProximaX from last year, developing the P2P storage solution, and now he leads all technical strategy of the Sirius platform. He is good at solving and answering questions for public and private networks now. So regarding these two founders, I am sure that the whole project is in good hands. As I said, the leaders and the team had not been wasting time. ProximaX had been already developed a few applications, ready-to-use products, including ProximaX Suite, the kind of cloud office but in the decentralized networks, KYC solution with stored and operated data in immutable storage. Now it should work good with the ProximaX Identity, that is another developed project applicable to national ID system and used for creating, storing and managing citizens' digital identity data. ProximaX Forensics, the special distributed and blockchain stamped database solution for investigators and forensic scientists. ProximaX Filelit, the client-based sharing app for comfortable use of ProximaX storage. This and other products ProximaX proposes at public and open source basis, as well as at commercial and private conditions. ProximaX team has already built a lot of useful instruments for developers. That includes SDKs and utilities for Java, JavaScript, C#, Swift, PHP, Rust, Golang, Dart, etc. All of them you can find in the official GitHub page using QR in this slide too. Also want to mention that testnet runs from November 2018 and we're very close to mainnet launch, where the main story of ProximaX series will begin. Except software development, ProximaX took a few negotiations with commercial, financial, governmental structures, discussion projects in such spheres as food and beverage, sports, medical diagnostics, human resource management, e-commerce and even fashion. Firstly, ProximaX is directed to emerging markets in Asia, Australia and Europe. In my opinion, the most promising potential project to deploy into real life is the already developed proof of concept for the Ministry of Community Development, UAE, in 2018. The proposed solution includes a voting system, notarization and collaboration solutions. So now these relations are still on and I'm waiting for new announcements about that very soon. Let's see some projects that ProximaX is seriously intended to implement this or next year. the distributed ledger-powered exchange, the national identity solutions, the fiat mobile payments, solution in business process management, and the decentralized application network for IoT and robotics. These app solutions are already in development and will find the customers for ProximaX in the future. I wish luck to the team, and I think I'll describe the projects in the future videos. All this work cannot be done by themselves only, so ProximaX involves IT development companies from all over the world. ProximaX named this involving as a system integrator program, which is designed to partner, train, and grow development companies. And that way, the ProximaX series platform can be used in more and more environments and projects. Here is the list of current system integrators. All of them are distributed around the world. Personally, I know only one of them, that is 482 Solutions. They are very advanced. As a development company, they excel at IoT and robotics, and they really can suggest proper solutions to the future market with Proxima. If you're a solid IT outsource company and you want to become a ProximaX system integrator, you can contact me via Telegram, and I'll be glad to answer your questions and contact you with right people. A list of activities, back to my observations, is displayed at this slide. Except product development, ProximaX as owners of the project are responsible for its promotion. And this is why system integrators are needed, to produce and sell commercial solutions in private and public networks. This is why all the agreements and memorandums are required, to make mass adoption through government and social meaning projects. This is why ProximaX is open to and in developing of promising real-world use cases for their technology that we all could discuss in official social medias. The social medias are the main way in how you can contact the team and the founders of ProximaX, and here's responsibility of the organization to keep contact with the community and answer all the questions. If you are active member, you will be lucky to take a part in the bounty tasks and competitions. It could be a little money spin-off, an opportunity for self-realization outside of your normal businesses. I expect more marketing activities after mainnet launch. Just mention that marketing doesn't work at the altcoin downtrend period, and I wish the team a lot of wisdom to spend marketing costs exactly where are they needed. The ProximaX ultimate goal is only one now: to achieve big scales in adoption across both public and private network solutions. That scales can be reached through a range of avenues, direct ecosystem building and business development from the team, or through technology partnerships that are being set up globally. That is all I wanted to say this time about ProximaX as a company. Don't be shy if you want to discuss something, for example, ask questions, or for the new video topics, to the comments below the video. You can call me Eugene K, ProximaX Now. Thanks for watching.